the ChanelXO channel. What up, though? Y'all, it's currently Thursday morning, and your girl is headed out of town. Still in Michigan, but going out of town for a couple of days. So, yes, going on a road trip with my babe and her family. So I'm currently en route to her house, and baby is taking me. So
church.
Oh wow.
That's my church.
I've been to this when my great grandma's funeral was there. Because that's what church she used to go to. But anyway, so I'll be back when we are on the road. I can't remember the last time y'all seen me, but I finally made it to my destination, which is Alabama. I'm down here with my fave. Say hey, fave. We down here with her people, with her family. We at Walmart right now. You know your girl gotta find a Walmart everywhere I go. I was about to say, you really about to get that big old ring pot. You know you gotta find a Walmart everywhere you go. Walmart had a necessity in life. We probably should have got the what you needed first, because that was probably over there in the other aisle. What's this? Peppermint cream pie with peppermint ice cream.
I've been to 80. It's good. I like peppermint.
I like peppermint in food form, but not like regular peppermint.
Peppermint ice cream is probably good.
I'm gonna get my freezer stuff when I come back. Right. Go to the snacks, because we need some snacks up in the house. But yeah, y'all, we at Walmart with it, and then we about to go to the Waffle House so we can get something to eat. Cause mind you, ain't nobody at the house ate nothing yet, and it's almost, is it 12 o'clock yet or 1 o'clock?
It's 11. You talking about egg? It's 11:15.
So it is a time difference.
Yeah. It might be 12.
What's the time difference?
It might be 12 or 1.
Oh, do they got the cheese noodles? No, no cheese noodles. Let me know where you want me to stop at. You wanna know what snacks you want? I wonder where them white Oreos is. Cause them things is good. But alright, y'all, I'll get back with y'all when we go to the Waffle House. Peace out. Y'all, it's later in the day. We are in 5 freaking, oh, they got the little doggy stuff.
Yeah, what is that on your camera?
What you mean? It's my camera.
Where you get that from?
What, my camera?
Yeah.
I bought it from the store from Best Buy.
How much is it?
Y'all, we in 5 Below right now. I don't know what I want from out of here, but I got too much copyright going on. I'm in here and I'm looking around. So far what I've seen is some gingerbread houses. So I want to get 2 of those. It's buy one, get one 50% off. So yeah, I'm buy one, get one 50% off, because I want to do the gingerbread challenge with Demetrius. So yeah. Who want frozen stuff?
Her niece like frozen. Go ahead.
Say what up to the vlog, y'all. Say hey. Damn, you not gonna say hey to the vlog?
Got a whole big ass camera and everything.
I know, right? Alright, y'all, I'll be back. Alright, y'all, I'm in Ross right now. This is my first time ever being in a freaking Ross because we don't have these in Michigan. So, yeah, they have freaking outdoor bags in here for $30. Cute stuff in here for the low. How come we ain't got one of these in Michigan? I need that. Like, look at these glasses, y'all. These are so freaking pretty. I bet they like $4.99. That is so freaking pretty. And they got all types of little stuff. But we just out shopping right now. And then later on, we are going to, I think, Dave & Buster's. Yeah, Dave & Buster's. So, yes, y'all. Alright, I'm about to finish looking around. And I will be back with y'all.
Another one?
Everybody brought
Oh no, that one you just had the Everclear on happy hour, so we do.
right. Yeah, we out eating at Logan's Steakhouse. I'll be back though. It's the next day. I don't even remember what the last freaking clip was that I showed y'all, but I really didn't vlog a lot last night after the last clip. I think the last clip was when we all went out to dinner. I think that was the last clip. Right now I'm by myself. I needed to come to the dollar store to get some things, and today is supposed to be a onesie party at my fave's mother's house or whatever. So I got my onesie. To know me is to know that I am anti-onesie. Your girl do not like a onesie at all, because I like to sleep in a nude. TMI. But I just don't like having clothes on, like pajamas. Like, that's just too much. And if I ain't sleeping in the nude, then I'm sleeping in just a t-shirt and that's it. Like, but I'm gonna wear my onesie tonight for this onesie party. But after that, we went back to the house last night, and my best friend, she made some drinks for everybody, like these slushy drinks. It was really good with peach and strawberry daiquiris. No, they weren't daiquiris, margaritas is what they was. Peach and strawberry margaritas. Them things were so good. And we went out last night, but we didn't stay out that long, so we ended up coming back to the crib and crashing. So yeah, let me get my tail up in this. And if you don't know that I am in Alabama, yes, I am in Alabama. We leave tomorrow morning. We've been here since Friday, so yeah. I miss my Nobu. My mom, she got Nobu, and she keeps telling me everything, all the mischief and everything that he getting into. He being bad and stuff. But that's Nobu. He's bad. It's what he does. But yes, y'all, I am about to go ahead and get in here for the last time, and I will check back in with y'all later on. y'all. Your girl is finally back home. I got home last night, probably like 4 in the morning. Just went to go get no boots the next day. Like, there goes Ting. Ting Ting. He's so happy to be home. You're so happy to be home, Ting. He is like going to every room, sniffing around, making sure everything is how he freaking left it. He a mess, y'all. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go wake baby up. He's not out. Knocked out. Knocked out. What is up, y'all? I don't even remember the last freaking clip where I had y'all, but today is a new day. I'm finally back home. Currently on my way to work. I've been back home for a day and a half. We got back, well, I got back Monday morning at 4 something in the freaking morning. So yeah, but I'm finally back home. About to be on my way to work, but I'm going to end this vlog and begin starting another one. Your girl suck at vlogmas, so this ain't even vlogmas no more. It's just gonna be when your girl upload, because at this point, honey, vlogmas is almost freaking over. But I'm still gonna do a couple of videos ending out vlogmas for y'all. I got a couple of things planned, so make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you leave your comments down below, because your girl do comment back, and I love seeing y'all support. Any way that you want to support your girl. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to get ready to head on up to work. Hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, and big shout outs to my fave Stephanie and her family for a good time. I had so much fun, y'all. I had an amazing time with them. Thank you to her mother and her mother husband for welcoming me into their home and treat me like family. I really appreciate it. I already knew my fave family anyway, so it wasn't weird going with them, and everything was just a good vibe, and I enjoyed myself. Alabama was cool, minus Logan Steakhouse. Y'all could do better, but anyway, that's another day, another story for another day. But I'll catch up with y'all later. Peace. Be blessed.